With this single indicator, I made 14% per month growth with the drawdown of only 4%. In this video, I will show you exactly what indicator with what settings I am using. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to TradingBotLab. I am your host Abdul. Let's move to my screen, and here you can see the indicator is applied. There are total 3 lines: the red line, the green line, and here a middle line which is a signal line. You can see on the screen there are very clear sell and buy signals. The strategy is to open a sell trade when it gives a sell signal. Here I will open a sell trade exactly on the closing of this candle. The SL I will set on this red line because this red line and this green line will be used to set the SL, and the TP will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And here next is a buy signal. I will open a buy trade exactly on the closing of this candle. The SL will be at this green line and the TP will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio, which is here, and it closed in profit. And here again it open a buy trade. I will open a buy trade here, and the SL will be here on this green line. The TP will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio somewhere here above that one. Okay, and the price goes down and gives an other signal here, so I will close this trade in loss on the next opposite sell signal. So here on this sell signal, I will close this buy trade and open a sell trade here. The SL will be at this line and the TP will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio here, and it closed with the TP. So here these are very simple rules to open a buy and sell signal. So now let's move to the backtest process. The backtest process is completed, and here on the screen you can see total net profit and the max drawdown and all these other values. Here you can see the win rate is 42.5%, but still if you take a look on the equity curve, it is going upwards smoothly. Here in the start it gives some profitable trades, and then there are some losing trade here, and again it makes some profit, and it is making profit and loss, and by this way overall it is making progress, and at the end it made 14% profit with a drawdown of only 4.1%. And here below the profit and loss distribution, and the win and loss is by direction, how many buy and sell are win and in loss. And now let me show you exact what settings I'm using. Let's move to my screen, and in the style you need to uncheck this table. Everything else will stay same, but only you need to increase the opacity of these color 1 and color 2. It's up to you. And in the input you need to use this setting. The sensitivity will be 7 and the multiplier will be 1.5, and here the trend filter will be unchecked, and all these settings. I hope this video save a lot of your time and efforts. You can suggest me a strategy or any indicator for my next video, and also if you suggest me someone else video that if someone is claiming that a strategy can make big profit and blah blah, you can let me know in the comment section and paste the link. I will do proper and in-depth backtest process on that strategy and then publish the results for you. For now that's it, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.